Salut, gaat, het met je. In this video I will show you Belgium. To foreigners, Belgium is like France and the Netherlands had a baby. To get to Belgium, you can drive from Netherlands, France, Germany, or Luxembourg. The public transportation is really fast and efficient, and it connects to the major cities. You can take a horse, car, train, or your method of transportation to Boom, Belgium, where they have music festivals. In Belgium, be prepared to have a jacket because it rains. If you visit Belgium McDonald's, you should try their macarons and beer. Belgium is known to have invented the fries. They have a museum to honor the food. If you check your Google Maps, you'll see fries everywhere. They also have Mannekin piss in the Netherlands. Not this dude, I meant the fries. Belgium has really good waffles. There's a workshop where they teach you how to make Belgian waffles. And if you check maps, there's waffles everywhere. A trip to Belgium is not complete without chocolate. If you check Google Maps, there's chocolate stores everywhere. And you guessed it, there's a chocolate museum in Bruges. The country, Belgium, is still calm, and as you can see from over there, Bruges Markt is a good place to take picture. You can climb the top of the belfry of Bruges for a breathtaking view. While in Belgium, be sure to try the Moules Frittes, which is the national dish. While in Bruges, there's a beer museum for alcoholics. For those interested in medieval history, there's a torture museum. St. Jan Hospital has cool art, and the Basilica of the Holy Blood is known to have the blood of Jesus. Overall, Belgium is an interesting country to visit. In Bruges, they make a museum of what Belgium is famous for: good fries, good beer, and good chocolate to share with friends. Goodbye, Belgium. It's been nice knowing you. Merci, danke. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thank you and have a great day.